of street transport and Skyworld community development over the past weeks. In this release, Unitsky String Technologies continues to work on new tracks in the Eco-Techno Park. The UST solution is in the spotlight at the Abu Dhabi exhibition. The Premium Club presentation was held at the Skyworld community. Let's not waste time and get straight to the first event. Lines 6 and 7 are being designed in the Eco-Techno Park. These are UST transport and infrastructure solutions for heavy rolling stock weighing up to 60 tons. Static and dynamic calculations are now being carried out, and the main parts of the complex are in the process of being constructed. The semi-flexible heavy-duty rail string flyover will make it possible to test suspended unimobiles as well as to practice design solutions for the track structure. UC Transport was part of the exhibition at the Abu Dhabi National Exhibition Center as part of Mobility Live ME 2023. Visitors and participants at the event were introduced to UST technology, which is designed for passenger transport. The company's booth aroused great interest among the guests, which is hardly surprising. Mobility has managed to become a current trend in the development of transport infrastructure. An important event for the development of the Skyworld community took place on the 25th of May with a presentation of the Premium Club. This is a private club whose members enjoy additional meaningful privileges and benefits. It connects partners around the world and opens up access to exclusive offers and private events. Premium Club residents will now be able to achieve their goals and realize their plans much faster. That has been all news for today. Please leave your likes and your comments for this release. See you!
Hey Meghna, what's up?
Hey Ron, I'm just completely fed up of my job.
You're fed up of your job.
I was so excited when you got this job.
Is there any way?
Yes, there is a way actually. Like recently, we have started something just in outside where we are showing like you use WhatsApp, right?
Miss
So
Pearl,
WhatsApp messages
Miss
online.
Pearl, you're recording and we hear you something else in the background.
Working right now in the US market where 1% of US knows about this and 0.001% of Indian people knows about it. But if you type WhatsApp,
Can you switch it off? Yeah.
The best part about it is that you don't need to work like 10 to 15 hours in a day, like in a job. You can just work.
It's the next video. You go to YouTube and you switch it off.
So if you want to learn this, what I suggest to you is, are you interested to learn? So this timing is exactly from 11 o'clock to 7 o'clock, the 8 hours.
Is Said there?
Show you the process of how basically this.
Okay. Welcome, Mr. Sandeep Singh. Madam Pearl has some technical issues. She's going to solve it any minute. And then she's going to start the presentation. Mr. Sandeep Singh, from where are you? You can put it in the chat. And what province or what city are you from? And are you already a co-owner, or do you hear from it the first time? The chat is open, you can chat. Okay, Miss Pearl is back. Miss Pearl, you have to stop the recording. Stop the recording and start all over, because this we cannot.
Hello everyone. So the today date is 9th June 2023. Welcome to India Skyward Community Info Session. And this time we are coming with a lots of new updates, which are very nice and very good for all of us who are associated with SWC and the Unitsky String Technology. So here I am, Parul Sharma, speaker at SWC India, and I have been giving the info session and giving you the updates regarding Unitsky String Technology and many more updates about SWC also. So be with me throughout this info session, and you can write down your questions if you have any, and we will have a question answer after this, right? So who am I? First, let me introduce myself that it took me a while to investigate, to know what is all about. And I could not stop thinking to know more about UST because I'm a person who is having a hobby of traveling. So you all of know that when we have a hobby of traveling, right? And when we see outside, there are so much stuck with the passengers, with everything, traffic, pollution. So all these problems are there, right? So continue with that hobby, having all these problems is not possible. So I just thought to look around that is there any solution for that? Or if it is there, then how can we can associate with it? How can we help in that? So then I come to know about UST, and it's not only about the transportation, but also the financial security for my little family. And that's why one of my wishes is to present the unique opportunity to all of you. And at the present, I'm a proud and honored and to be an active team member of the partner program led by Ms. Kat. She's here with us in this info session. She's the curator and responsible for India. And by profession, she is a coach, a life coach, and she really can transform someone's life. I really believe that. So listen to me carefully. I'm very serious. This is the most unique opportunity that you come across in your life, and this is not a sales technique. Please listen to it because now after having this updates and info session, maybe this can make us realize that we are the one who can contribute in that, who can make this world better to live in, and we can make our generation's future also along with us. So who is SWC? The people who make SWC, all of us for sure, but we have two members along with us. First is Evgeny Kudryshov. He is the financial director at SWC. And second is Mr. Alexei Sukhodev, who is an engineer by profession and the journal director at SWC. And what is SWC? What does it do? So it's a Skyward, to whom we call the Skyway Capital also. So it's a crowdfunding platform through which anyone can invest in the development of the UST innovative transport. If I say that we seek for the supporters from all over the world and want them to be with us and to make their a little bit contribution towards this technology, right? So you can participate in that, transfer funds to Skyward community and entering a convertible loan agreement. You can become a SWC partner and can be an active partner and can make your team and can support this Unitsky String Technology. And what is USky? So why we are having this info session? What's all about it? Why we are putting so much energy, giving our valuable time to this? All of my team is here. Why? Because it's a very innovative transport that moves above the ground on high strength string rail. You can see here the pictures, right? This is a vehicle which is ready on the track. It means it is certified. It is in reality. We can use it, right? And there would no traffic jams. The track structure is above the ground and there would be no pollution. So all of us must be wondering, is it possible? Yes, it is possible. And if you all of you want to know how is it possible, be with me throughout this info session because I am going to reveal the USP of the Unitsky String technology and its vehicle. And this transport is powered by electricity without polluting the atmosphere. We have no borders because we just need the place to anchors, right? We don't need the flat grounds, a very long ground or something big area. No. So Skyward can be built on any terrain in any climate, on a hilly place, on a flat ground, over the seas, over the ocean. So it can be there. And all of know, as we know that modern transport has a lots of problem. We know that the nature gives us a lots of challenges, right? Whether it is sandstorm, torrent, rains, flooding, etc., heavy snowfall. But have we realized it? Some have we sat just for the 1 or 2 minutes and thought about that what we have done to our nature, our environment? What is our contribution? Are we driving it in a very right on a very right path, or are we doing something very bad to it? I think we will have an answer for that. If we sit just for a 5 minute thinking about our environment, we will come to an answer that we are not doing anything good for it. We are just making it worse, right? So somebody has to take the initiative to think about that. Now, with the cargo transportation, you can see that huge traffic jams and congestion all over the world, all over, not in one city. If I talk about India, you can just think about you are living for your office at 9 o'clock. What would be the picture of the roads? We can think about that. When we are, these are the peak hours, right? We know that what is going on. So we want something like that, which is a concrete solution of this problem, which can give us relaxation. Okay, we don't have any problem of traffic jam. We are giving a good air to our next generation, to us also. We are giving a healthy environment. How? With this Unitsky String technology, because it is very simplified and clear transport alternative to all this problem. So we can see the traffic noise and the massive jam. And here is the picture, which is just opposite to it. Hassle-free and clean commute. You can see how beautiful it looks. We are not even saying that it is a vehicle. It is transporting the passenger from one place to another. No, it looks so beautiful. The view-wise, if we feel, it's beautiful also, and it's making our life easier also. What else we need? And here is a picture of docking problems, delays in shipping, big queues you can see here. And here is the picture of one transport vehicle of Unitsky String Technology, where we are showing you that there is a smooth flow of shipment. And this is just not a picture. These are the certified vehicles. I'm telling it again and again. These are very ecological, eco-friendly, certified. They are in real and it can be used. Certified means they can be used, the tested one. And we know that this time we don't have any existing solution or effective solution for all this problem, right? So we have to seek for the solution. And now when it is in front of our eyes, we should not resist ourselves to make as a contributor in that. We should be, because it's all of us, it's all for us. So here you can see that existing solutions are ineffective. And how we know that? Because here is a picture of Miss Cat, who is sitting in the meetings, the 4 meetings which are in a part of Belgium, right? And why she's looking so tense. So can anybody think about that? Why she's looking so tense? It's not because of anything, but when she was sitting here, she came to know, oh my God, every country needs a solution. Every country, every person wanted. Every passenger who is living from, every man, every woman who is living from his or her house, and just thinking about, oh my God, there would be traffic, there would be pollution, or this and that. And this is the solution for that. It is in front of her eyes, the roadmap and everything. And she was there. So she's with the team here only. And she's here in the picture with the curator of Nigeria, Mr. Christian, is also standing here. So she's very smiling because now she's a little bit relieved. So we should also get a relief. Okay, now there is a solution. What is our action is just to be a supporter of that. We need to contribute in that, and this could give us a very best solution of all the problems we are facing every day. It's not a problem of a 1 minute, 2 minutes, after 15 days it will become. No, everyday problem we have that, right? And what does USky offer? So USky offer us, we have a 27 vehicles with us. I will show you. We have a pictures of that. They are the certified vehicles we have, and I just show it to you. And it is a simplified solution for cargo and passenger transportation. Here are the pictures of them, the U-Wing, U-Bike, U-Car. One by one, I will show you and explain the USP of them also. And they are already in the website of us. You can go to the website, you can see it, you can check, and then it will be give you a more clarity. And from my side, I will try my 200% to show it to you and give you the clarity. And if you have any question, you can write it down. After that, we will discuss about your questions and your feedback also about that. So here's a picture of U-Bike, right? And it's on the track. You can see there is a design picture, and now you can see, yeah, yes. So it's on the track. It means that it's ready to be used. It's tested. It's ecological, eco-friendly, and it's in real. So it's in real. And it combines features of highly electric vehicle and sports and entertainment unit. Its addition to the onboard and external energy sources. It is equipped with a bicycle generator allowing U-Bike to be driven by the passenger's muscle power. Can you imagine the technology behind that? That in the future, it can be an alternative to a car, bike, and a motorcycle. And here is the U-Bus. It's for the 14 passenger. It's also on the track. You can see the picture. The people are already in that. So it's also, I will repeating it again and again. These are not just a picture. They are the certified vehicle, and in reality they are. And here U-Bike and U-Bus on the track, as I told you earlier. And now U-Car, the tropical version. Here you can see the big container is the design is called the U-Car. It's on the track. It's ankle and it's ready to go. And here, which we have the U-Truck, the double rail, quad rail, suspended cargo vehicle. The model is distinguished by its audacious design solution and outstanding visual novelty and the high functionality. How it is, if you see, because this container which you are seeing, this vehicle can load or reload just in 3 seconds. It's not a number. In 3 seconds, you just turn your head and the work is done. So it's amazing, really amazing, and it's very great. It's super. And that's U-Trans, the continuous cargo conveyor type system. It's an optimal solution for the mining, loading or reloading terminals and seaport terminals. It allows carrying out fast transportation of the significant volume of burnt material, something which is in burn that it can be transported very easily. And here you can see the functional picture of it, that it's mainly used for cargo and loose cargo and the mining purpose. So it's in a function. You can see that they are real, they are certified. And here we have a U-Wing. It's the beautiful one also. And the picture you are seeing it, it's not a helicopter, it's a drone. And if I tell you the USP of that, it can be lifted. This ankle can be lifted by this vehicle without any help of passenger. And it's approximately, I think, 1 ton. 1 ton means this ankle. Approximately, it has a weight of 1 ton, and it can be lifted very easily by this vehicle. So you can imagine the strength of that. And this is our team's most favorite, my most favorite, because of its design. It's very beautiful. It's looked very beautiful. And the name of this vehicle is U-Flash. Suspended passenger electric vehicle on steel wheels. It is designed for intercity passenger and cargo transportation for the distance of up to 10,000 kilometers. And it's the picture, when I say that it's in real, so that's the picture we have. Miss Kat, which is with us in this info session, and he's Mr. Christian, the curator of Nigeria, and Miss Kat is the curator of India. They are sitting in it, and it's when I talked to her, she said that it's felt like that she's sitting in a first class jet. So it is so comfortable, so amazing, and it looks so beautiful that, okay, wow, we are sitting in this vehicle. And this is a Yukon, where if I say that every country needs it and is the best solution for cargo. And here we can see it. These are the pictures from the certification, when the certification was going on in the tested center, this container. And the transport net cost from $1 per 100-ton kilometer. It's great. It's very great. And you can see it's on a track, and it's already certified and it's in real. So these are the pictures of the people who are here, the engineers who were there, and very happy to have a picture to front the camera with this vehicle because it gets the certification. And here is the U-Light. We have one more vehicle from Unitsky String Technology. The construction of an overpass for the U-Light has been completed in the Eco Techno Park. At the finish line is the arrangement of the station package as well as electrical installation works. And seaport. Then our CEO thought about, what about the seaport? That's also a big problem of the transportation, right? Main advantage of using the UST cargo transportation system in the seaport for delivery of loose, liquid, and break bulk cargo for the distance of 5 to 10 kilometers and more or short. And here we can see the picture of that. And it's a linear city in unity with nature. You can see that the apartments, it's used as the apartments. And this is a picture of in unity with the nature. And UST tracks contribute to the development of linear cities, cluster type, urban settlements, harmoniously integrated into the environment. And how does the UST technology work? How it works? So we will go deeper into the technology a little bit. We will come to know about that, how it is made up of, and why it is so fast, why it is so innovative, why it is so unique. So be with me for that. So first of all, I will tell you that you can see the picture here. It's a metal frame. It is covered with the metal frame, and this thing which we are seeing on the picture, and I'm just moving my cursor here. It's filled with the flexible concrete. Flexible concrete, if I define it, it's something like that. If you try to break it, it will never break. If you try hard and harder to break it, it will bend, but will not break. So you can see that how strengthful it is, how much load it can lift, right? And all these strings are wrapped around each other, which we are seeing here. These are not the something else. Is the strings which are wrapped around each other to make it more strengthful, to make it more stronger. Like we do it with a rope, right? And what makes it, when we say it's 5 times smoother, 3 times stronger, how? We all know about the normal bridge. It is the ankle A and ankle B, right? We know about this bridge. And what this is a slant ankles, which are used in this technology, which give it extra support. And this extra support makes it more stronger and more smoother. So this is a high strength string rate. And here it comes in 3 variants. First is the flexible one. It is for the hilly areas, for the remote areas. And then is the rigid one. It's on a double track, you can see. And the third one is the semi-rigid. It's for integrated. We can see the two cities to transporting the buses, metals, and etc. And now we talk about the USky engine. It's a heart of a technology. And what's special about it? So the USky engine can run on natural gas, methane, hydrogen, and other environmentally friendly fuels. And it is made of some very special metal that when it's on track, it there is no friction. When there is no friction, what does it define? It means that there would not any sound, and it will be have a resistance to wind. When it have a resistance to wind, what will be the result? No pollution will be there, no sound will be there, no sound pollution, no air pollution, and we can save fuel also, right? This is a natural resource, very limited natural resource we have. We should save it, and we can save it. So now we will come to the string transport advantages. Now, first of all, we will talk about aerodynamics plays a pivot role. What is aerodynamics? So it defined in the unit of CX. When we talk about this, aerodynamics of the string transport is multiple times higher than that of a car. So for the car, it is 0.4, and for the U-Sky, it is 0.06. So what does it mean? It means that it has more resistance to wind, and when it is on the track, there will be no sound, no friction, very less friction. If the very less friction would be there, less sound will be there, and more fuel conservation will be there. So we need to conserve the limited resources, limited natural resources of the fuel. Due to that, one U-Sky high-speed transport can save up to 880 tons of fuel each year. Each year we can save this natural resource. So it's good for environment, atmosphere, in every manner, in every manner. If you think about the natural resources, if you think about the air pollution wise, it's the best solution. So I don't think that we need to think twice about that. We need to support it. We must support it. And now we will, on some parameters, we will see that how beneficial it is. So when we talk about these kinds of process, the existing transport analogs in all technological parameters, what does that? So the capital cost will be very low, because I told you that we don't need very big flat grounds to make this like the rail tracks we see everywhere, right? So capital cost will be very low. Operating cost will be very low. Energy consumption will be very low. We can save the fuel. I'm repeating it again and again. It's a kind of energy only, the fuel which we have. Capacity will be higher because it is more stronger, and environmental pollution will be least. Transport accident rate, because it's in the air, it's not on a flat ground, so the transport accident rate will also be reduced. So all these parameters we can come to know what I show you in the slide, that the existing transport analogs in the all technological parameters, it's the best. It surpasses all the things. And now we will compare it with all the solutions what we have. So now we have monorail, magnet leviation, hyperloop. So on the basis of few parameters, we will compare it. Are they eco-friendly? Okay, they are eco-friendly. Fine. On the safety parameter, if we talk, so the safety parameter of the hyperloop is the medium, where the magnet leviation and for the monorail is okay high, but in the U-Sky it's very high. Adaptability, it's there is no limits. We have no borders, because we can be made everywhere. We just need a place to fix the anchors, and we are ready to go. We don't require flat ground to make it ready. And what's about the speed? So speed, we can have up to 600 kilometer per hour, where for the others we have 1200 and 680. But the cost per kilometer is not the adjustable. We can see that it's $36 mil, 8 to 15 mil, and it's the cost per kilometer is very low, and safety is high. It is eco-friendly, certified one. Speed is higher, and with having no borders, we can be anywhere. So this is the best on every parameter. If we compare it to existing solutions, it's the best. And who is the behind this technology? So here's the author of the technology, Mr. Dr. Anatoly Unitsky Eduardovich, and he's the head of two United Nations organization project. the author of more than 150 inventions, 20 monographs, and 200 scientific papers. If in this session we have approximately many people, if I ask this question that how many inventions do we have? From my side, it's no invention till now, and this man has a 150 invention. So it's not just a number, it's his hard work. It shows his hard work, what he has done, and what he's up to, and what he's seeking for making this world better with his invention. And also, he's the chairman of the board of directors of the International Skyway Group of Companies. And as we know that behind every successful man, there is a strong woman, and behind this man, there is a journal director who is the journal, as a position, she is the journal director in the USCI, the journal director Nadzela Kotreva. And she has mentioned the mission and vision of the companies like that. Our mission is to establish widespread use of UST transport and infrastructure complexes that will significantly reduce the negative impact of transportation and its infrastructure on people and the environment, both on regional and global level. So the vision and mission is very impressive and very good. This is another feather in the cap. In the 2018, the company received a certificate for the management system according to ISO 9001-2015 international standard. So the best operational management, the company has got the certification for that. And now we will talk about the patents, certificates, and exhibition. And here the 130 patents worldwide from the China to Australia. These are on the one picture you can see, and it's look beautiful. And the initial design and trials, few I have shown you, and these are the initial one we can see from where to where it has reached. And this man took this technology to the global, in the global market also we can say there is an international exhibition from Singapore to Berlin. And here there are the pictures. You can see the Dr. Anatoly also in this picture. And now we will talk about the production and the result. What we do with the funds. Here is the picture of the office, the corporate office of the USCI. The employees are working. You can see here. We have the own production in Belarus, when more than 600 employees are working here. And these are the pictures that we have from there. It's in the Minsk, Saint Minsk, Republic of Belarus. And we have our own factory also. First, we have this white and blue building. But when we come to know the country needs this technology, it has to be expanded. So then this all other buildings has been made. These are the engineers who are happily facing the cameras with this behind the design vehicle behind them. And they are working on their mission. And this is the picture of Eco Techno Park, and it's in Marina Gorica. And what does it show, Eco Techno Park? If you see it very from near, you can see that clearly. There are 7 tested test park is showing here, with where the vehicles get tested, and the green part you can here, because our mission is to save the environment also. The mission of this technology is to save the environment also. These are the ponds, fishes are there. These are the trees, which are the fruit trees. So whosoever come to visit this Eco Techno Park, we can give the fruits and the fishes, the fresh fishes from the pond. The idea behind that is to show that the technology can also be eco-friendly, and this is a real example of that. So how green it looks, we can't say that it is something that vehicle testing park would be there, or that so 7 tracks would be there. We can't, when we see this picture, we can't realize that, but it's there with so much greenery. And one picture is the USCI Innovation Center in the UAE, and it's in a Sharjah Innovation Park, the Sharjah Research Technology and Innovation Park in UAE. And there is a picture, there are the pictures of USky Innovation Centers in the UAE. And what makes the eco house and oasis in the middle of the desert? We know that what the temperature of a desert country, like Sharjah or UAE, there is a very hot temperature, and it turns into that much green. How? Because of this technology and the idea behind it. And here you can see the picture of Dr. Anatoly also along with these people. And now we are all over the news. We are everywhere, every country, everyone is talking about this technology, and this certificate in the hands of Dr. Anatoly. This is the Belarusian Chamber, the certification for the Belarusian Chamber of Commerce and Industry has recognized Unitsky String Technologies as a reliable and bona fide partner for the business activities in Belarus and abroad. So this is a certification of that, which Dr. Anatoly is holding. And we have passed a financial audit of the String Transport Development Company for 2022 also. The String Transport Development Company has successfully passed the audit of economic activities for 2022. According to the result of audit, the submitted documentation accurately reflects the financial position of the organization in all existing aspects. And these are the picture of Eco Techno Park hosted a tour for pupils. And these students also take part in that. Pupils from the district technical school visited the R&D center of the Unitsky String Technologies in Marina Gorka. The guests were introduced to the UST transport and infrastructure complexes and other green technologicals of Eco Techno Park. The attention of the visitor was attracted by the ZIL 131, an experimental specimen of the UST transport. The children learned that this car with specially adapted wheels had once been used as a test vehicle in Ozry, Moscow Oblast. It was there that the first test site for UST technology was built. So these are the real updates which I want to give it to you. And we have an info session for all these updates also. The guest was told that Eco Techno Park reflects the company's philosophy, creating environmentally friendly and safe transport system. Thanks to the relocation of traffic to the tire, the track structures do not occupy the ground. I have mentioned it that we don't require the flat grounds. And the pupils who are also able to for themselves. Okay. Yeah. So the pupils were able to see for themselves the comfort of the Unimobiles and learn that UST transport and infrastructure complexes can not only relieve traffic congestion, but also connect separated parts of the city. This is especially true when geographical conditions do not allow the use of other modes of transport. The pupils' keen interest was aroused by the UST's unnamed driving. Visiting the control room, they saw how the movement of electric rail vehicles is controlled with the help of technical vision and various sensors. The control system reads information from the track, monitors and performance of the route task, and also independently makes a decision to reduce speed or stop. The tour concluded with a visit to the UST Transport Museum. The guests were told how Anatoly Unitsky technology is now being implementary in the test and demonstration center. And USky has started the final stage of installation of a semi-rigid track over 2 kilometers long. Here are the pictures what we have, and they are the very from there only. We are waiting for the more few pictures of from there. And at the USky Testing and Certification Center in Sharjah, the implementation of the transport flyover with a semi-rigid track structure continues. The line is more than 2 kilometers long and will allow to freight and passenger transportation at the speed of up to 150 kilometers per hour. The construction work has now been completed and the final stage of the track installation has begun. So congratulations to all of us for that. The complex is designed for the organization of movement in heavy unmanned unimobiles weighing more than 30 tons. One of the difference of the string rail over flyover, the large unsupported span length of more than 250 meters. This will make it possible to overcome water barriers, mountain gorge, and to build roads over transport, industrial, residential, and energy infrastructure facilities. Now preparations are underway to form the rolling head. Among other things, safety, comfort, driving speed, and noise level of unimobiles depends on the element. Work is also beginning in the installation of unstretched section, an addition to the flyover that will allow the rolling stock to start from ground level. There will also be hanging of unimobiles, commissioning and maintenance of transport, says the chief designer of the high-speed transport complex, Whitley Lapscovi. Once installation is complete, the commissioning of individual system and the entire complex begins. Subsequently, the 25-seater unibus U4 21201, the latest development by UST, will be tested on the line. The testing of the overhead unicorn with the carrying capacity up to 30.5 tons, which will allow the transportation of 20 and 40-foot sea containers, will be carried out on the same track. And here are the pictures we have. UST solution provoke an interest of transport company in Malaysia. So the people are sitting in it, they are certified vehicles and they are in real. Following the results of Mobility Leave ME 2023 exhibition, delegates from the Malaysia visit the Unitsky Center, and executive consultant and the financial controller of a large Malaysian group of companies came to the center's headquarters to learn about UST solutions. Of the 32 million residents of Malaysia, almost 25 million live in cities. This explains the huge number of cars and motorbikes in large population areas. UST complex can contribute to the solution of the main transport task of the Malaysia to reduce the number of personal vehicles on the road, traffic jam, and accidents, as well as to reduce the level of air pollution, which I am repeating again and again is the best solution for all these problems. A sightseeing tour was held for the guests of the Unitsky Center, during which technical specialists introduced the visitor to the operation of safety system and presented models of UST passenger transport. During the meeting, the main benefit of implementing UST solution in Malaysia's transport infrastructure were outlined. And the above ground location of UST tracks will reduce the traffic congestion and redistribute passenger traffic and reduce the number of accident and traffic jams. So these are the benefits of this technology. Electric unimobiles have a low energy consumption, 2 to 3 times lower than conventional steel-wheeled or magnetic fusion vehicles. Compared to road transport, energy consumption is 5 to 7 times lower. Wow, it's great, it's amazing. Car standing in traffic jams emit a large amount of harmful substances into the air. It creates air pollution, no doubt. Wear products from the car tires also have a negative impact on the environment. UST transport helps to minimize emissions, and the problems of worn tires is solved by the use of wear-proof steel wheels. So it has a solution for everything, You just think about a problem and this is a solution. And now we will talk about the 7 smart cities India, about the India Expo 23rd to 25th. It was held between 23rd to 25th March of 2022, and one of the most anticipated and large-scale international exhibitions in the field of technology. Smart Cities India Expo 2022, and the event was held from, as I mentioned, 23 March to 25th March in New Delhi, India. Unitsky String Technologies took part in presenting its transport and infrastructure solutions there also. And we have a picture from there. Here is Mr. Said Mainuddin, who is the speaker for India for the Hindi language. And he was assisted Unitsky String Technology there. And lots of people came there. Lots of people have lots of questions also. And he did his job wonderfully. He handled all the FAQs very well. And he had few pictures also from there, which we try to put it here, and you can see that yes, this is something every country needs. And now the one more update that the string transport has attracted the interest of representative of the India's Ministry of Tourism. So it's great. Congratulations. And the students, as we know, are future builders and users of the Sky transport. So we have a delegation of the students also who visited there. They have a lots of questions. They were handled by the people over there, the company people over there, and they were facing the camera. And very happy to see it because the designs are beautiful, technology is very effective, and the concrete solution to all the problems of traffic jam and pollution. And we are everywhere, we are in every news. So few of the news updates I will give it to you that the few shots from the Dubai Roads and Transportation Authority RTA stands at InnoTrans 2022 featuring the Unibike. We were exhibiting that the model U-bike model over there, and you can see the picture. It's there only. The most upgraded version of this vehicle. It look beautiful. It really look beautiful. So we are in the news of Tech Insider, Office Life, mass media about us, Forbes, CNN Business. You can read the article over there about this technology. And Sky cargo and passenger transport is ready to enter the global market in 2023 also. And Sky is a well understood and established 150 international, more than 150 international delegation have visited the Sky Center and the production in Belarus since 2014. So it's a great achievement. It's a very great achievement for all of us. And now I will show you the few local projects. And the pictures are these Sky route projects of Sharjah. And the first project, the Alizada Airport, Sharjah Mosque University. So it's a ring line with a total length of 38 kilometers, will have 11 stations and be served by 122 U buses with a capacity of 16 passengers each at an average speed of 88 kilometers per hour. So U bus will need 30 minutes to cover the entire circular route with all the stops. In rush hour, the peak hours, this Sky complex will provide service for up to 10,000 passengers per hour. Super. The second project, what we have is a 45-kilometer long road that connects Alizada and the Sharjah Safari via the airport and Al Rahmania. After the construction of more 9 kilometers of track, residents and the visitors of the city will be able to travel to the seaside. This route will be served by 43 electric U buses with an average speed of 122 kilometers per hour, which will allow to travel safely from one terminus to the other in just 20 minutes. So when we say it is just not a number, it's a long distance and a very less time. So the speed is at high. And the third project, the longest and the most complex, as it connects the two sea coasts of the Sharjah through the mountains. We are everywhere. It operates between the Chital City and the Kalba, stopping at the Al Dahej, Sharjah Safari, and Sifuni. The total route length is 106 kilometers and will be served by 103 U buses with an average speed of 140 kilometers per hour. The ride from one coast to the other can take as little as 45 minutes. And the passenger, the fourth project, the passenger and the freight route that start from the Hamria port and runs through Hamria Free Zone, Emirates Industrial City to the Sharjah Container Facility. The 45-kilometer route will be served by 89 U buses and the necessary number of the U trucks. One U truck will play load of 5 tons. 5 tons is capable of transporting 170 tons of cargo per day in 2 different directions along this route. And how the UST solution contribute to the growth of unnamed transportation in Russia. So the launch of the first unnamed trucks on the M11 Neva Highway, which connects Moscow and the St. Petersburg, is scheduled for the end of the June 2023. Earlier, such statement was made by the head of the Ministry of the Transport of the Russian Federation, Vitaly Sergey, and contribute to the project for your own benefit. To contribute to the project for your own benefits, you can go to this website link, which is mentioned here. My-swcsmart.com site. You can log in here and you will show this picture on your screen. Welcome to the SWC educational platform. You need to put it your mail ID here and the password, and then you can start it. You can register yourself and you can contribute to the project for your own benefit. You will have all the updates here. You can put your name, your phone number, your mail ID, and you can register yourself, and you can please remember your password also. And to contribute to the for that, you will have a message of like this: hello, today is a great day to learn something now. Consolidate knowledge in the practice, and here many courses will be there: online courses, tracker profession, recommended courses you can see, and you can continue with them. The events activities also you can show in the events column. And the current course is the team building in the duplication technique. You can continue with the course. This is the running course which we have. And SWC ideology, what is the Skyward community? Here is the there is a video also. You can, on the YouTube, you will go to the, redirect to the YouTube, you can run that. And here you will have a module for like this lesson 1 or for that video, lesson 2, then the video of that. And you can see and you can learn about it. And now we will talk about the financial roadmap. So this is the 2014 when this it was started with the scratch, with the zero, and now we are just about to complete our 15th stage. So it's you can see the commitment and idea behind this technology from where to where it has reached. So it's great, and it's because of us, because of the man behind this technology, the hard work, the commitment which we have towards it to make the environment good. So we must contribute in this thing. And what is the roadmap? First, we have to, for the 6 months, it takes for the feasibility study, that what type of the country it is, what type of a land it is, and it's take a part of the front end engineering, and it's included in the contract price of the project. And the designing and the construction and delivery of equipment and rolling stock, it takes the 12 to 18 months. And 3 to 6 months it takes to start up personal training and to learn about how to operate it, how to maintain the technology. And 24 months it takes to unconditional guarantee the warranty for the components of the transport and infrastructure complex will be stipulated by this contract. So this is all the roadmap, how months or how much time it takes for one step. And with one step, it is ready for the country, every country, if I say, because all of us, we need it. And here that you would like to know that there is a website of ours, new.skyway.capital, and my colleague Ms. Sarah will also put all the links in the chat also, so you can copy paste from there also. And please don't Google all the links because you could be misguided, and use the authentic one. You can get it from the chat. And here you can register yourself. The person who brought you here, we call it sponsor. So give your name and email ID to that person, or if not, you can contact us. We will share our number just in the next coming slides, and Ms. Sarah or our team is there. You can contact us, and then we will share the one link with you. On that link, you can click and register yourself with the name, and you can put one password. You can save it, or somehow if you forget it, there is the option of a resetting password also, but try to remember it. It's good. And to get access to our platform and know more about our projects, you will have to get a link of the member. It's a new, that's a website link I have mentioned before also, new.skyway.capital. And then to get access to the educational platform, you go to SWC Smart. So there is a different website also, my.swcsmart.com/site/login. When you click on that, then you will be redirected to register yourself for the educational platform. For the slide which I have shown you, you can start your courses and you can register yourself, and you can bring more people to there. And if you need help, please contact the person who brought you here, or you can contact our team also. We are always there, because once we are here, we are connected for the rest of our life. We can transfer our knowledge. We can share our all the knowledge with each other, and my team is there only, so you can contact us. And how's the team structure? So here's the team structure. You can start as a partner, then the consultant. Once the member will be increasing in your team, so your position will be higher and higher. Like from the partner, you can go to sky expert level. So the top expert, leader, master expert, then top expert. One top expert is with us, Miss Cat, and then the higher one, the highest one is the sky expert. So this is the team structure what we have. You can bring more people, you can add more people, and you can make it beneficial for you and for your team also. Once you will have a bigger team, the higher position you will have in the system. And there is a partner program, affiliate program, which we have remuneration scheme by the level. So for the partners, the 15% would be there, and the second 4, 2, 1 for the consultants. These are the stages what we have. So with the for a partner, you can start with the zero. I think no company is in my career I have seen who will tell you can be a partner with the zero investment. No one. But in this, you can. With your knowledge and the habit of sharing your knowledge, right? Bringing more people, adding more people to a good cause. You can have your team, you can have your financial securities and a good position. And what else? You start with zero and you could be a consultant, leader, master. You can see the personal investment started with the 0, 100 to for the consultant is 100. Your team should have that much investment in the system. Then the invited partners and the personal investments plus investment from the first line. And from where you can reach us, you can find us, how to contact us. So there is a one verified mobile app what we have now, and you can download it as WC Skywork Community from the Google Store only. From the Android you can download it, and you can log in here with your login and password, and you can in your mobile only you can see all the updates, and you can continue with your courses also. So this is something which always in our hand, very handy, so you can use it every time. I think nothing is best than using an app. It's very easy to use. And these are the official links of ours. My team member also put it in the chat. This is the official website and official YouTube channel what we have of and also the official website of the Anatoly Unitsky, journal designer of the String Technology system and head of the USP group of the company. And Anatoly's Unitsky official YouTube channel also what we have. So go to those pages, see all new updates, see how technology works, make yourself more responsible for this environment and contribute your all efforts to make it good for India, but good for every country, and make it possible, make it more good. So there is available a new website of the string transport company developer. So once you log in here, automatically, once you click on that, automatically it will redirect you to the new one. And the U1 is a /UST.inc. And now is the Facebook page, YouTube channel, and the Instagram page link also of Dr. Anatoly Unitsky. I would request you to go there, show some gratitude, put some comment, share his videos also, the technologies videos also, make more people aware about that. And because this man is doing a great something for all of us, for each of us, with his invention, with this technology, with his hard work. Still he's working for that at this age also. So a little bit time, a little bit contribution we should also have if we really care about this world and environment and the people, and especially for our next generation. And this is me, Parul Sharma. This is a number of mine. You can reach to me. You can reach to my team also. This is my WhatsApp number. And you can ask me if any question you have. If you want to introduce new people to this technology, to SWC, you can bring those people. You can share their contacts to my team, and we will be there to help you how to make take it further. And in the last, thank you so much for all of your interest, the teamwork, and to give your valuable time here and listen to me and getting this updates. And my just one request is there. Please go to the websites, see the USP of the vehicle, think that why we are saying that it is innovative, why we are saying that it is good for all in all aspects, and contribute your efforts in that also. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Hello, everyone. So, hello, Mr. Nair. Hello, Cat Jacobs, Miss Cat. Hello, Sarah. So,
Can you stop the recording?
I think